YouTube, welcome back. So yeah, today I'm going to unbox this. I believe this is the DJI 1000 power station solar charge controller that I purchased. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, I was checking on this. It was like $59 on Amazon, and most of them on eBay, the reseller tried to double them on probably like 118 bucks, sometimes lower, sometimes higher. So yeah, so I sum up the solar panel that I want to charge the DJI 1000 power station to see if it works or not. If it doesn't work, then I'll probably just waste my money on this. So by the way, the max input for the solar panel is 400 watts total combined. There are 3 of the XT60 input for the solar panels. So yeah, be sure to check out the specification before you buy this. And I believe it's the 30 amp max out. So let's go and then open this up and check it out. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, this one take a little bit longer time. We have Amazon Prime, normally take about 1 day or the next day, but this one take a while. But I'm glad I didn't have to pay the reseller price. So see right here is a specification. So it says 10 amp on each port. Max out is 30 amp. Oh no, somehow this one says 30 amp. So somehow this one it says 20 amp max out. So and this is made in China. It's original product. So this is the MPPT charge controller. So they come with a short stubby and then a long screw. This is the Allen key. Those 2 are the mounting holes, and then you connect this to the DJI 1000. They have this metal bracket. It's a mounting bracket. Let's go get my DJI 1000, so kind of get an idea how to mount this. Pretty quite heavy. And those are the XT60 input. This is 12 volt to 30 volt. Alright, so this is the side of my DJI 1000. I don't think I need to use this bracket. I'm just going to mount this over here. Like that. That's a perfect fit. The bracket might be for other version or something, so now let's find out which screw is the best fit. Yeah, I have to use a long one. Yeah, you have to use a long one. Go. Let's go and then plug in the plug and see what it says on the power station. Right now it shows 68%. It shows 0.18, 0.10, 0.12 volts jumping up. But the solar is not even connected, so let's go outside and then see, connect it to the solar panel and see if it's going to charge or not. Right, so I got two of this MC4 connector to the XT60, and then I have two solar panel with 200 watts each. I'm going to connect each of the panel to each of the XT60, and then connect to the charge controller. So yeah, let's go out there and then do that. Alright, so I have this two 200 watts each solar panel. I'm going to connect it. Hopefully it's going to work. I think the amperage might be exceeded. It says 11.5 something, but I'm just going to hook it up and see if that works or not. Alright, so I have 4 wires, 1 positive, 2 positive, 2 negative. I'm going to open this wire right now. Damn, it's hot out here. And there's fire going on, so it's kind of smell out in the backyard right now. Right here, click. Now we're going to open the port. Let me check it out. I want to see the station. Turn it on real quick. Right now it's at 68%. I'm going to plug this one in and see. Wow. It shows the voltage over there. And how many minutes going to charge. Alright, so I'm going to plug into the second panel. And now I can hear the fan kicking in. So it shows 242 watts. And it shows 92 minutes to get a charge. Wow, that's pretty good. So when you plug in, there's a green LED indicator. That means it is on. We're gonna let it charge and come back. Right now it's 11:09. Alright, we finally got the 100%. So right now it's about 1:47 after I eat my lunch. So it also depends on the shade because my tree was covering the solar panel. So I had to remove one of the solar panel out of the shade. And so now it's finally got charged. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. So yeah, please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any of the DIY or any other unboxing video. Well, hopefully see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.